Hello everybody, in this video I will help you with your prelim exam preparation. I will discuss the 2024 Gauteng prelim paper 1 question 12. The data obtained from a city's police department indicates that of all the motor vehicles reported stolen, 80% were stolen by syndicates to be sold off and 20% were stolen by individuals for personal use. Of the vehicles presumed stolen by syndicates, and then they give you the data there, we'll discuss that now, and then the second paragraph of those vehicles presumed stolen by individuals, and they give you the info. Number 1, draw a tree diagram for the given information above. So what we have is, for our tree diagram, there's stolen vehicles and then there's two branches. The one branch is for syndicates and the other, and there's 80% of them go to syndicates, and then the other branch is for individuals and we have 20%. Then now let's zoom in on syndicates. Of the vehicles presumed stolen by syndicates, 24% were recovered within 48 hours. So now syndicates have another branch, and this one is for within 48 hours and 24%. Still on syndicates, there's another branch, the second dot, 16% were recovered after 48 hours. So there's after 48 hours and 16%. And then your third branch for syndicates will be 60% were never recovered. So never recovered, 60%. Then the second paragraph of those vehicles presumed stolen by individuals, we have three branches. 38% were recovered within 48 hours, so you add your 38%. The second branch, 58% were recovered after 48 hours, so there's your 58%. And then your last branch, 4% were never recovered, and your 4%. And then you can also write down your outcomes. So your outcomes will be syndicates within 48 hours. Then syndicates after 48 hours. Syndicates never recovered. And then your second part of your outcomes will be individuals within 48 hours, individuals after 48 hours, and individuals and never. And that is worth 3 marks for you. Number 2. Calculate the probability that if a vehicle was stolen in the city, it would be stolen by a syndicate and recovered within 48 hours. So, do you agree it's syndicate within 48 hours? So it works like this. Probability, syndicate within 48 hours. So there you will find for the syndicates, it's 80 over 100 times, and then within 48 hours is 24%, 24 over 100. And then when you multiply that, you end with 0,192 times 100. That gives you 19,2%. So where's the marks for this step and that step? Number 3. Calculate the probability that a vehicle stolen in this city will not be recovered. So this one works like this. It is the probability stolen and not recovered, and plus. So it will be, have a look. The probability stolen by a syndicate is 80% and never recovered is 60%. So you say 80 over 100 times 60 over 100. And is plus, and then stolen definitely by individuals, 20% times never recovered, 4%. So then when you calculate that with your calculator, you end with 0,488 times 100. Therefore, the answer 48,8%. Where's your marks? This part, that part, final answer, 3 marks. Number 2. You have to choose a password for your new Facebook profile. The password must be in the format, and that little symbol is psi. So it's 3 psi and then 3 @ signs, where psi is any digit, zeros are not allowed. So that means you have a possibility of 9 digits. And then the @ sign is any vowel, A, E, I, O, U, and there's 5 of them. You may repeat any digit, that's important, but you may not repeat a vowel. How many passwords can be formed? So then here there's 3 places for C. So now there's 9 because there's 9 digits. 0 is not included. The second one 9 and the third one also 9. And it stays 9 because they can be repeated. And then on this one, at the second last space, that's for the vowels. So the first one, there's 5 of them. But then on this one, there can only be 4 since they cannot be repeated. And then what you do is you can say 9 times 9 times 9 times 5 times 4. And when you work that out with your calculator, you end with 14,580 passwords to choose from. So where's the marks? The marks are for the 3 9s, the 5 times the 4, and the final answer. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope that you will do well in your prelim exam and in your final exam. And you will see I have also added the playlist on grade 12 probability for you so that you can also watch that one. This is Miss Pythagoras signing off. Till next time.